it's a Friday and there's another video, but it's not a motorbike video today. Even though I've got the Ducati here. Was that going to be the next video? Is that next on my list? No. Parts haven't been delivered as of yet. I haven't been twiddling my thumbs. I am in the middle of creating the fairing, the prototype fairing, and the headlight as well for the Ducati. In a week or perhaps 2 weeks time, we'll have the actual fiberglass prototypes for me to smooth, and then it'll be onto the frame. But another thing to keep me occupied as well is I need to sort out the space in the workshop here. There's a corner, in fact the whole workshop is a complete mess at the moment. It always is a mess because it's just too small to actually do anything in, or too small to actually keep things in, I should say. One corner especially that I do need to give a bit of TLC to, it's all a bit of a mess at the moment, so I need to sort all that out, make the corner nice, make it respectable, and more importantly, have somewhere where I can actually present. So I used to present in front of that there. That was before I got the motorcycle lift in place. And now that the motorcycle lift is here, it's pretty hard to sit in front of that because obviously limited on space. So that is my plan, to create a nice little space with that background. Let's do it. So nothing new's been done over there. There's the black cart down there, and there's the poster for it. All I've done is just move the pictures over there. Fairy lights have always been there pretty much. I've just moved them from that wall to that wall there. That looks a little bit neater at least. And now onto my main wall. I decided at the last minute that I actually wanted to put these boards down. These are just pretty much glued on in place really. Honestly, just giving me an extra inch just of overlap. And it's overlapping at the side there where I didn't have that before. But this pretty much is just cladding timber. That's all it is. I've wired in a few bulbs just to make it obviously look a little bit nicer and a little bit more presentable, but I think that's it. I can't obviously go over the gas at all. That's a big no-no. But it gives me a nice area, at least just to have that hi-fi there, and I can always prop my helmets, my RUROC 2.0, and obviously that is the new tank for the mongrel. Somewhere neat just to put them out of the way, and of course we've got the GS in front of us here. But that's it. I'm pretty happy with that. Whew, it's hot in here. It's seriously hot. It's the hottest day so far of the year. It's like, I don't know, of course this workshop kind of just gathers all the heat, especially with black walls and everything like that. It's like being back at Diamond City Cycles. That was hot and humid. Obviously I've got to clean up and move things around a bit more because I'm stuck with a Myco front brake lever in my face that is pretty close to me. But it goes to show how tall the Myco is. I mean, I'm sitting on a pretty high stool at the moment. Anyway, that is it, it's done. Like I said, I need a bit more room. That's all to come this year, hopefully, fingers crossed. But at least I've got a neat enough wall behind me. Looks a little bit better, looks a bit more presentable as well, and it's kind of kicked me up to the bottom to clean up the rest of the place as well. So that's all from me. Next week, hopefully it'll be the mongrel video, and we need to create a jig, pretty much, to keep the frame in one position whilst I cut it up into tiny pieces. So if you like what you see, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and visit flipboardindustries.com as well to see if there's any merchandise that you like. Until next week, everyone stay safe out there.